Good day, everyone. I am Cherry Ann Labrador, a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management student at Cebu Technological University, Danao campus. Today, I will be presenting a promotion plan for one of the most luxurious and well-known resorts in Cebu, the Shangri-La Mactan Resort and Spa. This resort is famous for its beautiful white sand beach, world-class amenities, and excellent customer service, making it a top destination for both local and international tourists. Let us begin with advertising strategy. The main goal of this strategy is to increase brand awareness and attract more guests. To achieve this, the resort uses different digital platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. These platforms are used to post high-quality photos and videos showcasing the resort's beautiful beach, relaxing rooms, and exciting activities. Another strategy is using Google Ads and search engine optimization, so that when people search for best resort in Cebu, Shangri-La Mactan Resort and Spa will appear at the top of the result. The resort can also collaborate with influencers and travel bloggers who can promote the resort through their content. This helps can reach a wider audience. Lastly, advertising through travel websites like Agoda and Booking.com is also important to attract international tourists. Next is the personal selling approach. This strategy focuses on building strong relationships with customers. The resort can directly communicate with companies and offer packages for meetings, conferences, and team building activities. They can also partner with travel agencies to promote the resort and increase booking through commissions. Another important approach is having well-trained staff who can upsell services such as spa treatments, dining experiences, and guided tours. For special events like weddings, the resort can provide personalized services and customized packages to meet the needs of clients. Now, let us move the direct marketing plan. This strategy allows the resort can communicate directly with customers. One example is email marketing, where the resort sends newsletters about promotions, holidays, packages, and special events. Short message service marketing can also be used to inform customers about discounts and limited times offer. The resort can also create a loyalty program where repeat guests can earn rewards, discounts, and free services. In addition, personalized offers such as birthday or anniversary promos can make guests feel valued and encourage them to return. Lastly, we have the trade fair participation strategy. Joining travel expos and tourism fairs help promote the resort to a global audience. The resort can set up attractive booths with beach-themed designs, videos, and brochures to catch the attention of visitors. They can also offer special discounts during these events to encourage bookings. Most importantly, trade fairs allow the resort to build partnerships with travel agencies, tour operators, and airlines. In conclusion, the promotion plan for Shangri-La Mactan Resort and Spa focuses on four key strategies: advertising, personal selling, direct marketing, and trade fair participation. By using these strategies effectively, the resort can attract more guests, build strong relationships, and maintain its reputation as a top luxurious destination. That's all. Thank you.